What's up guys, welcome back to Rooms for You. Today let's look at latest MIUI Global 12.5.4 stable version running on Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro. I have been playing around with POCO X3 Pro from last few days and currently I did receive the latest update from Xiaomi and I am testing out this build from last one day and thought of sharing my experience with you guys. As usual, to begin with, let's quickly get into a phone session. As you see, the version is 12.5.4 stable and Android version is 11. Security patch they are using is from 1st August 2021. Since it is the stock, the kernel coupled here is PUBG, which is a Linux 4.14 based kernel. When comes to password and security, the ROM does got fingerprint as well as the face unlock. Both are pretty faster. Even though I did updated from previous MIUI, I didn't face any performance issue here. The side mounted fingerprint as well as the face unlock was working pretty smooth. And next improvement I noticed here is with MIUI cam. I did notice that the picture quality is improved a bit and improved the lagging issues with 4K video recording. Since it is not a third-party ROM, I am not going to explain any other features here. And let's quickly get into performance test. When talking about benchmarking, the AnTuTu scores 5,43,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 737 and multi-core 2648, which are not that much bad scores for Snapdragon 860. Since it is stock, the ROM does support all wideband L1 support. You won't be facing any issues with media playbacks. To understand more about performance, I did do a CPU throttling test. The test did lasted for 30 minutes. The result was not something I expected. The ROM did started with a good GIPS value, but after 1 to 2 minutes the graph started dropping and scored average value of 1,56,000 plus, which is not even near to the actual performance of Snapdragon 860. I believe that this performance test clears that the long-term performance of this ROM is going to be a big issue and it is going to affect the gamers. As far I tested, if you play a game for more than an hour, your game will start lagging and there is performance drop noticed. So that's it guys, this is all about this video. Like and shares are always appreciated and I'll catch you in next one.